Today I'm going to be showing you how to run a pre and post scan using your YOUCANIC scanner. Pre and post scans can be very helpful when diagnosing and fixing major issues in your car, as they can point to current codes that may indicate major problems within your vehicle. To begin, you're going to connect your VCI adapter to your vehicle. Next, we'll go to Diagnosis, and you may select VIN and go to Automatic Read if you wish. I am connected to an OBD simulator, so I will be going with the demo option here. Diagnosis and Quick Scan. Your scanner will begin scanning through your ECU and will collect all of the fault codes from various modules here. Once it is finished scanning, you can go ahead and press this blue arrow to look through all of the different fault codes. As you can see, we have active and history code status. If you take a look under the status row, you can see we have active and history codes. Active codes point to current issues within your vehicle that may be causing problems, while history codes point to issues that used to be an issue but are not currently a concern. Once you have looked through the report, you can go ahead and press save, and then select Save again. Next, you can erase to clear all fault codes. Alternatively, if you have a specific control module that is of concern, you can go to Control Modules, select the control module you wish to scan, and go to Read Codes. All of the codes will appear, as well as freeze frame option so that you can see exactly when and where something was going wrong. Then you can clear codes. Once all codes have been cleared, you may drive your car for 15 minutes and then return and scan again. Go to Diagnostics, Demo, Diagnosis, and Quick Scan. All of the fault codes are returning because of the simulator that I'm using, but in theory, the history codes should not return. Once the scanner has finished scanning, go ahead and make note of all of the active codes. The problem that these codes are pointing to will need to be fixed before they can be properly cleared. Once these issues have been fixed, these codes can be cleared, and you can drive your car for another 15 minutes. Scan your car again, and if you're still seeing those codes, consult a trusted mechanic or go to your local dealership. And there you go. Now you know how to conduct pre and post scans using your YOUCANIC scanner. If you ever need help during this process, feel free to email us at support@youcanic.com. We are always happy to help.